Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to check program benefits on Fiverr for your seller profile. So this is a seller um, Fiverr account I'm managing, and to do that you just click on growth and marketing. You can see you can click on this program benefits, but let me just say that this is all for the seller plus, which means you'll be committing about $19 a month for the seller plus. And once you activate the seller plus program on your Fiverr, you actually see a whole lot of traction. I would say it's a very good way to scale up your Fiverr account very quickly. And but let's I'm sure I'll not be granted access because this particular account is not a program, is not a seller, a premium seller account. So let's just look at the benefits. We have access to exclusive tools and benefits to get our business side of the game good. Use advanced analytics tools to understand gigs performance, optimize visibility and search results, and uncover new business opportunities. This is a very good way. Is a very good business. This the Seller Plus program is a very good way to scale up your business, especially if you have the 19 bucks is not a whole lot of money for the perks you enjoy while using the Seller Plus. And yeah, $19 a month, pay right from your Fiverr balance is really a good business way to it's really a good part of the Fiverr um, business section. So to do that, you can just click on join seller plus and you will actually see the all the program benefits. And you can also, okay, what is included in the seller plus. It gives you the support you need. You actually do have advanced analytics, coupons for your valued buyers activity info, financial benefits, all of this whether they tell you all these things are very very nice, but the truth is that once you activate the seller uh plus program on your account, you would actually see you'll see a drastic move on the serious traction on your account, because your account will the algorithm will push your account forward, will push it to the eyes of potential buyers, and it will actually do click on your profile, and then you can get more sales. So guys, this is how to see program benefits on the seller plus on Fiverr. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day.